Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you take a scrolling screenshot. So let's get straight into it. Now open the ShareX main window or right click this try icon at the bottom. Now let's go here at the top, capture, and then you will find here scrolling capture. Just like that, select it. Alright, now escape, click escape that this window shows up. And this is the easiest way to get where you want. So I do always this way. Now what I will gonna do here, I will press this capture and select the area right here like that. And now we can scroll. And as you can see, it captured this my scroll right here on this window. So I can do it again here, capture. And now if I take it here and select it just like that. And as you can see now, I have this scroll. It's short, but it is. Now what I can do is just copy or upload and save. So if I upload and save or copy it and go here to the window again, you will see it here, right over here. And yeah, this is pretty much how you can activate scrolling screenshot. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.